Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What Did This Yinzer Sell? Had some really good sales after Memorial Day, so I wanted to go through a couple of them. I'm trying to do these more often, and I'm trying to do it every couple sales just so I don't get so backed up, because if you get too many sales, it's so hard to fit them into each video, and I'm trying to keep the videos a little bit shorter just so they are easier to watch, so you're not just stuck on the couch watching videos or watching on your phone. So again, I'm going to show you, all these have been packaged up, most of them have been shipped, so I'm just going to show you the picture like I normally do, and I'll give you kind of a little backstory on each item if it's applicable. So first, items. The first item in that picture was a pair of Levi's 511 jeans. I had a huge jean stash here. Picked them up super cheap. Pretty much gone between $1 and $5 a pair. So we listed them. I finally got through to list them, and they started to sell pretty quickly. So got $30 plus shipping for that pair. The next item in that picture was a set of 4 vintage hand-painted alcohol-proof snack trays. These came from the huge photography lot that I bought, that I mentioned in the last video. The lady threw these in, and I didn't know really anything about them, so they did show some use, so they didn't go as high as they probably should have, but they were sitting here and they finally sold, so I'm glad to get them out of here. The next two items. Another pair of jeans, so I'm not going to get into that one. It was the Levi 505. Somebody buy it now, got it, so those went out. The other item, and actually I just realized that I'm still waiting for the payment on it, so we'll talk about it. This was the Happy Planner. This was open box, never used. It can hold paper, notebooks, whatnot, so I got $4 plus shipping on that. I got this in a huge box. I have nothing into it, so pure profit. Next items. Another pair of Levi's, so we're not going to go into that one. The other thing was a Calvin Klein Euphoria body cream. Brand new. I picked this up about a week and a half ago at some yard sales. Paid $1. They had a big box of some stuff out there, and I went through and kind of found some brand new stuff. I found 3 things, so this was one of them. This is the second thing that's sold out of that lot so far, so that was a good little pickup, and it's actually sold pretty quickly too. Next two. Vintage Riverware copper bottom saucepan, 3/4 quart saucepan. It sold for $11.25 plus shipping. This was also purchased at one of our first estate sale this year, which there's a video of the haul. So been selling a couple of the pots, which they've actually been kind of moving. So the next thing was another one of the Happy Planners. Like I said, nothing into this, so it was straight profit. Not much, but hey, got it out of here. It's taking up some room on the shelf, so happy to move that. Next two. Same old story. Jeans. I listed them, they sell. So I was glad to see those go. The pile's getting smaller and smaller, so. The other thing was the Yu-Gi-Oh! The movie. I picked these up for 50 cents each. I had 2 of these. The first one sold a couple weeks ago, and the last one finally sold again. Sorry if I keep looking off to the side. I have the pictures pulled up on my phone, so I remember what they are. Next two. Lennox champagne flutes. I know in the last What Sold video, somebody bought 2 of them. Well, the last 2 sold, so it was kind of nice. I actually had 5 originally, but when I went to go wash them, one just broke, so I only had 4. So somebody made an offer of $9.50. I accepted it just to get them out of here because they are very fragile, and I don't want to break anymore. Shortly after I boxed that one up, somebody hit the buy it now on the other one, so I was happy to get rid of those. I just still have the water glasses left, and I think the wine glasses left, which I just moved those into another box. So, sorry guys, had to take that phone call real quick. My car is actually in the shop because the air conditioner quit, and it's been blowing hot air. So, on these days of going out thrifting and to yard sales, and it's been hot in that car, especially when it rains and you can't even put the windows down. So it gets very, very hot. But it's all fixed now, so I can go pick it up in a little bit after work. But hey, that would, like I said before, that was it for this What's Sold video. I'm gonna try to keep doing them and try to keep up with them before I get too many sold items. I can get the video out there for you guys. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified when we do another giveaway, which should be coming up soon, I think. We're gonna have random giveaways too, just out of the blue. You might see a video about a giveaway, and we'll kind of do it the same way before. There might be a secret word, who knows, we're not sure. Comment down below how we should do our next giveaway. Let's see what you guys think, and we'll get your opinion on this, because we love seeing comments, and the kids love seeing them, and we love responding. So we like interacting with everybody. Like I said before, we're having a blast doing this, and it's just, it blows our mind that we have this many subscribers, and we're hoping to get more. It's just, we keep seeing that number go up, and we're having fun. So remember guys, until next time, keep picking. Bye.